it's Kiki here, Cafe Commentary's official host. I have 5 clear signs your relationship might be holding you back. 1. You're always explaining yourself. You constantly have to justify your dreams, your goals, or even just wanting more out of life. Instead of feeling supported, you feel judged or doubted. 2. Your energy feels drained, not replenished. A good relationship should recharge you, like plunging into an emotional outlet. If you constantly feel exhausted, anxious, or depleted after interacting, that's a major red flag. 3. They downplay your success. They act uninterested, get jealous, or even suddenly criticize you when you achieve something. A true partner claps the loudest for you. They don't roll their eyes. 4. You're stuck playing small. You find yourself shrinking your ambitions, lowering your standards, or toning yourself down. Just to keep the peace or avoid conflict, you have to dream less. Dreams should expand, not suffocate. 5. You daydream about freedom. If you often fantasize about how much better, freer, or lighter life would be, or feel without them, that's just not your imagination. It's your intuition speaking. Listen to me. Please understand that love is not supposed to hold you hostage to a smaller life. It's supposed to want you higher, walk beside you, and clap as you rise. If your relationship feels more like quicksand than solid ground, it's time to be brave enough to ask, is this love lifting me or limiting me? Remember, you are not here to play small for anyone. Protect your peace. Guard your greatness. Choose love that